Do you know it in Korean? No songs in Korean? Only my sister is a singer. That's the only one.
That's
Three Little Bears.
Oh, I want to hear it.
But that was too hot.
Oh,
But it's not too hot.
okay.
For my sister.
Okay, let's sing it. Let's hear it, sister.
I don't know how to play that.
You don't know how to play Three Little Bears?
I forgot.
Okay. Tell her
Sing
how it goes.
Itsy Bitsy Spider. For us.
We know Three Little Sheep.
Okay, Three Little Sheep?
Yeah.
Okay, let's hear it.
It's not the song. It's just playing.
Well,
Oh, okay.
What?
You don't know any songs that you can sing for me in Korean? Just skip them?
Just only one.
Okay, I want to hear it.
But
I think you forgot them.
I know.
Did your sister know? Allison. All right. I don't think she wants to sing it.